What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tizzy back again with another video. I told y'all boys earlier this week that I was gonna drop editor this week, and right now I'm 4 for 4. But you see in the background, me and my brother Watson, we had head up to Rivet City. We played with some randoms because we didn't feel like playing no L2 cheaters on the tools court, so we hopped on with randoms. But we was still going crazy. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
Mine's the second worst. And you played the fuck out the back though.
You know, I was even go for it.
No, he played it anyway, so that wasn't gonna work.
You know, I'm willing to pass the ball.
I passed you the ball last game. What are you talking about?
No, I'm saying when I don't just take bullshit shots. Alright, tweet. I tweet. My nigga can't even shoot. I really ain't go for it, bro. With my breakfast.
I was mad yesterday eating hot chips. Oh, actually, I was there. I'm there.
He baited. Oh,
Nah, he didn't shoot it.
I want to go pick up my goldfish again.
He had open 3, but he was. I guess he's hesitated. Oh my god. This could be my gameplay for real. Weak ass screen. Yeah, screen is weak as shit.
He in bed.
He fried the shit out of me.
That's all niggas do. I'm not gonna run around if you a nigga like me. One of them grades. Impossible. I died. Got here. Sure.
I should have stole that shit. No, don't reach, don't reach.
What? Damn, I could've got bored, but I went to 3. That's on me. I'm trying to get LeBron involved. I be forgetting I gotta hold it a little longer.
So steal the screen fucked it up.
He be having so much to do. He off though.
He had that shot.
I do. I ain't gonna lie, Loki. If I really, bro, I got the best in the bit. If I would've made this bitch right. So. Oh, what's up? What's it?
He got bored. He stole my shit though.
This should be free as fuck. I ain't gonna use this.
I can though. Damn, we both.
Board.
I didn't even get that bitch. That bitch bounced weird. You're stuck. He was notching over me with 2-way. What's wrong with him? There's like fiends in the court now.
Good shot.
Bro got bored.
That's green though. I'm gonna speak for 3 from 3. I came through the fucking on 2-4. Fucking close for you. Fuck! I'm playing the game again. What? I was saying. Oh, the nigga on our team left?
Yeah. I think it was a steady. I think it was steady overall. Oh my god. I only seen like one that's a good, that look decent. He didn't jump.
That's why I be telling niggas to jump, bro. Niggas don't like playing jump.
Nigga do that dumb pass. Like I can't get saucy.
You see MASCOT, I know I go to. He didn't know what to do. He like, should I guard the shooter or should I get the paint? Oh, he the good one?
Nah, the nigga, yeah, that you got in. Bro was gonna try to L2 me, but he saw the cutter. Shit weird.
Purple and do Luna?
Am I 2 this game? Oh, I'm the 1.
I'm the one.
Nigga got a fat ass ball spot. That shit, nigga. On this nigga. All that goddamn Joe behind the fucking screen. Bitch ass ball bitch.
I'm trying to get some gameplay on hard too. Fucking 6. Like, why not?
That boy John shot fast as fuck. I'm scared I hit on that.
Look how I'm reaching. I didn't know he was throwing that bitch to me for real. I was just holding square. I was thinking he was. I gotta show him I can shoot for real.
I expect that nigga to cover drive in like that.
That's what I mean by dummy tape thing. Oh, why? Why the fuck open?
I expect dude to drive in, you know what I'm saying? He would help the last 2.
Nigga, fuck that. You have the best shoot on 2K wide. Like I said, the best shoot on 2K. I mean, I come down one play, green out, and I'll get back down. That's what I do.
Now get back down, that's what I do.
Don't go up.
That shit was slow.
Now y'all boys gotta stop moving. More. Go up. Ah! When I get boxed, I do in the game. I'll slap his ass in real life.
Damn, nigga harassing the fuck out of me.
Come on, you cannot lose to these bitches.
Bro, I'm not losing to these niggas.
Keep throwing that bitch at me. Oh, you red though. I should have threw it, but I hesitated. Oh no, no threes. I got him. He's not like that.
They said no threes in this dude, man.
My ball. Come on, that went off his back. I threw a Stevie again. Can't be doing that. He got backdoor. Oh, he could have stolen that hole. He's gonna be one to win for it. I know. Green out here. Oh, is that the pellet? Flipper shit look hard. Guard that. Oh, yeah.
Get boy, bro.
I missed because.
What about doing?
Throw me. What's that? I missed it twice, bro. I only missed because I missed Honda. Do that. Ah, y'all don't know how to blitz shit. If I was a guard nigga, you blitz everything. Oh boy. You gonna go up? Ah, this nigga don't like going up. What's up with this nigga? He's trying to give me a snap block or something. Oh boy. Oh, we got comp next. Oh boy. I don't know why he took that shot. I don't know who the fuck he was doing. No, get back up. Oh, you should have left. Damn, you should have left. Come on, we need to win.
I couldn't pass the ball, nigga was reaching like shit.
That's green, bro. Nigga missed you on 2 right there. Come on, man. But they giving us the game. I ain't gonna lie, but they 4-1. Fuck.
This dude got 3 on badge on his name and he can't shoot.
Nigga, that's his problem. Wait.
I'm talking about our teammate.
Oh. That's what I figured. I see the thing by the game. I'm like, wait, that's what our
Before that, so
you know it's a blitz to run fast. It's like they say you got double tap R2. Yeah, it do give you a little boost. I ain't gonna bet.
did one of his 3 back. Hell no. Tie this bitch up, cuzzo. Tie this bitch up, cuzzo. That's green, cuzzo.
Should've told me that before I ran it.
I'm a best shooter. You know who the ball has. No one ain't got a high ball.
You can't even say it correctly. They can't even speak
I'm gone.
Big kids speak English about you know who Van Tall is. Like nigga what?
Nigga hit the wrong nigga. He ain't shoot shit all game. Look at him.
Nah.
Look at this. My fault.
I ain't gonna lie. I move faster than every center. Look how fast I run.
Just gonna run fast. Them boys down there stressing now. They gonna start forcing 3s. Watch, double screen's gonna start coming. Oh my god, pass the ball!
Oh no. You had 2-way?
Hell yeah, I got 2-way again.
Nigga, you should have hit me, bro. I told you, I be trying to stuck shit. Still that. Yep.
So that nigga wanna shoot with a 3 ball. Oh, I should never jumped. Ooh. Nigga had that one.
Give me the 3 corner. Game over. Let's go game chat.
Aha!
That is the end of the video. Make sure y'all boys go down, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all go hit the notification bell too, cause we'll post another video tomorrow. If y'all boys fucking with the content, let me know down in the comments too as well. But with that, enjoy you guys' night. I'll see y'all next tomorrow. Peace.